I would highly recommend Indulge Boise's wine tour.
Whether you're local or in town visiting, please take the tour.
We had a great time today with Indulge Boise.
So I'm Earl Sullivan. I'm the head winemaker and co-founder of Telaya here in Garden City.
I'm Elizabeth with Proletariat Wine Company. I'm one of the owners here. We decided to build a winery and tasting room in Garden City, Idaho along the Urban Wine Trail.
We're wine enthusiasts. We are wine club members at other wineries in the valley, but didn't know the Garden City area very well. And every place we went to today were all brand new to us. So that was cool.
You had great, robust wines. The food was just exquisite, in some of the different spots that we went to, ranging from Italian, Puerto Rican, Caribbean cuisine. It was just an all-around great and cultural experience.
There's just a lot of really tasty wines, and it definitely made it not so intimidating because I think being also with my dad and all of his friends, they all knew I was new to it.
Come down to Garden City, you'll see 7 to 10 wineries, 4 or 5 breweries, and a ton of nice family-owned restaurants. It's a great place to come and visit.
What stood out today for me was just how much Garden City has changed and how invested some newcomers are, because not too many years ago Garden City wasn't a place you wanted to be after dark, and now it's a place that everybody wants to be day and night, and that's exciting.
I had no clue all of this was back here.
Phenomenal, great food, great wine. If you're new to town, vacationing, or if you're in existing Boise, come on out. You won't regret it. We had a great Saturday afternoon.
We love the fact that Indulge Boise Urban Wine Trail Tours has included Garden City and Proletariat Wine Company because it really highlights the area, it highlights our winery.
Take the tour. You will not regret it.
We're a part of Indulge Boise's Urban Wine Tour. You get to see a lot of variety in Garden City.
We had a great time today.
Cheers to Indulge Boise.
Cheers, Indulge Boise.
Cheers to Indulge Boise, and cheers, Dad.
Cheers.